Inside of our index.php, first thing we need to do, right after the open in PHP tag, we're going to start the session. So session start, that's fine. And now after our ODB object database exec method, we check if isn't set session sort. Then we'll create this session straight away. So we have session sort by will be title, and then I'm going to copy the entire thing. AD will be ascending. Now we create two variables, by equals simply sort by, and the other will be AD, and it will take AD index from our sort session array. And now order by, we're going to amend slightly. We take the name, we replace this title by this by variable. This one obviously should be AD rather than by. And the way we're going to be ordering, as well as a second parameter, again, when in the curly braces, the second variable. Now that we have all this done, if we scroll down to our table headings, I'm going to close the browser here for a while. And inside of our class equals sort, we're going to start with the opening PHP tag echo. Now by equals title, meaning if by equals title then question mark, we're going to do space in between a single quote, then string to lower, and our AD variable. Otherwise, so colon null, display null. So this is for the first one, which is a title. Next one will be for the author as well. And this time we obviously need to compare whether by is author. The same thing for our category. And again, this time we're comparing whether the by variable equals category. Now, if we save the entire thing, go back to our browser, refresh, you can see on load, we already see the arrow because we've created this session. When the page loads, we check if the session sort exists. If it doesn't exist, create it straight away. And then obviously these variables already has been created because a session has existed and they've been passed to our SQL statement. And because we had obviously this variables defined, we could obviously display this ascending class next to the title heading. Now if I click on the title, you can see the page reloads. The session has been created in our sort.php file. And obviously, when the page reloaded, it took new parameters. Now we know that we're sorting by the title again, but this time we want descending order. That's why the descending class has been assigned to this span. If we just use Fireback here and look at the span, you can see we have descending class assigned here next to the sort. If I click again, you can see the class has changed to ascending. Now, if I click on the author and I'm going to check, you can see that the title heading now doesn't have any doesn't have ascending or descending class, but our author now has ascending. If I click again, it's going to have descending, and so on. And obviously filtering works very well as well. We have ascending, descending order of the specific column. So that's everything in this tutorial. I hope you find it useful. Any comments, you know what to do.